In the world of trading, protecting your capital is just as important as growing it. I definitely would know. That's where Smartcharts risk management features come in. So in this video, we will show you actually how you can use the stop loss orders, how you can take profit targets and leverage adjustments to manage your risk effectively. So whether you're trading in a stable market or if you're dealing with a little bit of volatility, knowing how to minimize your exposure is the key. So let's go ahead and dive right into the best risk management tools available to you in Smartcharts. So if we take a look here, you guys will see we have the world's first AI trading analysis platform. And obviously we got 5,000 plus verified users, 27 plus premium features, and 10 plus trading strategies. And you guys will see right here, trade built-in AI strategies. So scrolling down, you guys will see right here, we got some important details. We got built-in AI trading strategies. So you're going to be able to unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence with Smartcharts' proprietary built-in trading strategies. It is designed to optimize your trading experience. These AI-driven strategies, they provide vast amounts of data in real time, right? They're continuously calculating. And this in return is helping you make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. So regardless, once again, of your trading experience, or once you guys understand, if you're a beginner, if you're, say, amateur, or let's say if you're advanced, I want you guys to understand right here that their tools, they are going to be able to help you. Their intelligent tools adapt to market conditions, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve, okay? And you guys will see right here, we have AI-driven signals, so trading signals, to discover a wide range of trading ideas within their ideas tab. So where the expertise, well, say professional traders, right? Professional traders, it meets the cutting edge power of AI. So each idea is carefully curated to help you identify potential opportunities in the market, making your trading decisions more informed and strategic. And then finally, you guys, easy one-click trading feature, right? Just click of a button and that is it. If you scroll down, you guys will see right here, they've also created the first true hybrid e-learning and trading tool of its kind. So obviously we got e-learning syllabus. We even have right here proprietary market scanner, which I love market scanners. We've got trading toolkit, and then we even have cross compatible. So you guys will actually see right here a whole bunch of important details. Now scrolling down, you guys will even see right here, Smartcharts is not just another trading system, right? So they got what is known as a T-wave. So this is a strategy, okay? Not only that, we have Patterns AI. So Patterns AI leverages advanced algorithms to detect, highlight key market patterns, right? So which is very important. And then they even have Swing Pro AI as well. So once again, you guys, a lot of important details here. You're more than welcome to check this out. If you actually go to the very top, you guys are going to see where they do have start trading. So technically, if you click on this, you guys are going to see you're going to be able to sign up. Just put in your name, email address, and your message. So send that, and they're going to be able to get you set up. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and log in once you officially have your account set up, and you guys are going to see what the dashboard looks like. So it's very important, okay? But if we take a look right up here, we got learn, charts, we got trades, we got journal, we got coaching, we got live events, tools, and ideas. So if we actually go right here to charts, you guys are going to see exactly how this looks. Now, mind you guys, I want you guys to understand, as stated, you're going to be able to easily set up a stop loss, okay? But not only that, you guys, you're also going to be able to set up your take profit, right? Which is going to be very important. And this is going to help you, especially whenever it comes to, say, protecting trades. But I also want you guys to understand, you're going to be able to adjust a leverage and margin to control your risk exposure. All right, so you guys can see exactly right here how this looks, right? So you guys can actually see these charts actually look pretty professional in my opinion, but you're just going to be able to click. You guys can see right here, we do have the trade size, right? Not only that, we have strategy. So you guys can see that right there. There's tag. And you guys can see right here the take profit. So as stated, you're going to be able to adjust this. You're going to be able to change it. We even have entry right here. So you're going to be able to buy, obviously, a market, bar high, bar low, swing high, swing low, whatever you prefer, and then you're going to be able to set up your stop loss. So pretty easy and simple, and you can do that on multiple charts, technically at once, right? So multiple positions, all right, which is very important, all right? So I want you guys to understand that these are technically going to be the key to balancing risk and reward for better trade outcomes, right? So your stop loss, not only that, but take profit orders, very important, right? So ladies and gentlemen, I need you guys to understand, if we take a look here, we even have what is known as tools, right? So you need to make sure that you're going to be able to go to what is known as tools, right? So make sure you guys check that out. Let's go ahead and exit out of this, but we're going to go to tools. And you guys will see right here that they do provide you a lot of important details. So currency strength, right? So obviously you can correlate these with the charts, right? If you'd like to, but they also provide you moving averages. So that's periods based off of the 10 MA, 20 MA, and 50 MA. And you can see right here, we got the simple, we got exponential, we got whole, and we even have the ligics. And you guys will even see over here, we have the oscillators, right? So same exact thing, right? We have RSI, right? Stochastic, we even have CCI, which I love, and we even got this one right here. And then we got pivot points. So classic, we got the Woody, we got the Fibonacci, and it kind of continues. Okay, and then we got price action news, and we even have a heat map. So these basically tell you which ones are hot, which ones are, you know, not doing so good. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, you have just learned how to take control of your risk using SmartCharts' powerful features. So as stated, by going back to the charts, right, whenever you set it up, right, get things going, I want you guys to understand that you are going to be able to balance, right, or let's say by setting up your stop loss and take profit levels and adjusting your leverage and say balancing your risk and reward, you'll be better equipped to navigate any market conditions, right? So basically, ladies and gentlemen, you don't want to risk it all in one single trade. Use SmartCharts to protect your investments. Like, share, and subscribe for more essential trading tips.